It is August 14th, 9 o'clock in the evening. It's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. This is an update. This is the present status of the electric motor module. I'm not going to be showing anything spinning today. It's just kind of an update. So the motor and the transmission are here as they were in the last couple of videos. I've got the mounting for the high voltage junction box on here. This is the back of the car, so you can reach the selector switch. This is the low voltage junction box. We have various cables coming out the side. Connector for the 12 volts, controller, throttle cable, power. It goes from one section to the next in between the high voltage and low voltage junction boxes. We're going to be mounting some stuff here shortly. Hopefully I can show you the video of that. The accelerator pedal is just sitting right here for now, which is the front of the car. My accelerator, or my key switch is not here. I'm using a little switch that piece of junk that I just used. And that's about it for the general overview. This is the high voltage junction box from the back of the car. This is the connection for the positive pack voltage. Goes through maintenance switch, through a 300 amp fuse, pre-charge resistor with a contactor across it, shunt resistor, which will give us 100 millivolts for 100 amps of current going through it. So it's a handy conversion. There's a little bit of a terminal block here. The controller is going to be coming into this side. We've got three connections, one for B+, one for B-, and one for M-. So those are going to be kind of clustered over here. The negative on the pack is going to be going up to the negative on the controller. Then we've got the negative on the battery, or the controller, going to the reversing contactor. There's 4 cables that come off the reversing contactor that are going to go to the motor right down here. And then the pack cable is probably going to come in from this side. That's the cables coming in and out of the high voltage junction box, except for the signals for the contactor and for the reversing contactor. They're coming to a terminal block, and they're going to be just going between these two boxes. The video, I need more light on this. Well, I guess we're going to have to do. Okay, so we're looking at the other side. So this is the connection between the high voltage junction box and the low voltage junction box. Excuse me, this is going to be a cable coming on onto these terminals over here, which are set up for the reversing contactor, the 12 volt signal, as well as pulling in this contactor. So those all are going to run to here. These terminals are going to the controller, which is probably going to be out on this side. That is the 12 volts to the controller and the accelerator pedal to the controller. So the accelerator pedal is also going to be coming out this side, going to the bottom. You probably can't see that right now. There's the accelerator right down there. Then I was going to bring the accelerator through this section, but it's probably going to make more sense to go through here. We got the ignition switch over here. We've got I've got a separate battery for the controller right now, so that's coming out of here. And then there's the auxiliary, the 12 volt battery that runs the lights and the signals and stuff like that. Another cable is coming out of here. And then right now I have my start switch, which is right down here. And that's about it. That's how things are going to be arranged. I need bulkhead fittings to go from one box to another. I need pressure relief, strain relief connectors to bring the cables in so that they don't jerk on the connections or anything like that. And I guess I still have to show you the batteries. Okay, the batteries. These are 16 of the 40 amp hour Calb cells. They have bolt terminals on the top, and they are quite light. They're like 4 pounds a piece. 16 of the cells is going to take me just over 50 volts which is not huge for a car, but it's going to be a nice light pack. It's under 80 pounds, and I'm going to make a little bit of a battery box for it, and it will. Oh, I have a cat emergency over here. Anyway, the batteries will be housed. I guess I should show you. Okay, back to the motor module. There's a low voltage junction box. Underneath in this gap here is where the batteries are going to be mounted. They're going to go across this rail here. We got room for probably 3 of the battery packs that I've set up. I've only got 1 right now. It was about $1,400, which is approximately the cost of a good lead acid pack. I looked into getting one, and buying a good lead acid pack is about the same cost as shipping a good lead acid pack. So it didn't really make a whole lot of sense to ship the old batteries. The old lead acid batteries are these ones over here that I got surplus, and shipping these was about the cost of buying new in Winnipeg and just having them shipped to Red River College, which was just slightly less money than buying these new small Calb cells and having a much lighter battery pack, much lighter car, much better handling. So that's how we went.